Oh, what's going on, FMFAM? It's your boy. Look, guys, we're gonna do something on this transmission. I'll get to it in a second. All right. Alright guys, so as y'all know, we took this thing apart last night, stayed extra late so that we can get this transmission out on the table, drained, pan off, valve body. I took that off without even recording it, just because there's going to be extra stuff to throw in the video. But I threw that valve body out, and yes, we are getting ready to rebuild this transmission. Okay, so let's get to it and stop messing around. Put it on the traffic. Get your MILWAUKEE, see if it will take this off. Oh wait, you got one too? Yeah, but I'm not gonna bust it up till I get it to the phone. I just want to see you. Hey, if I make a video, I don't want to be stupid.
Do you have a 1/4 inch to 3/8? You have a 1/4 inch to 3/8 MILWAUKEE? Oh, right, he has one too.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
1/4 inch, the quick disconnect.
Oh, the 3/8.
I don't have that.
You don't have it? You're just using it for squealing.
Yes! And something like that when you didn't fucking have one. He bought it just to not use it. He bought it just to make a video on it.
Look, if you want to borrow it.
Oh, I'm good.
Guys, Mark is good, but because I gave him mine, bro. I don't even use it.
There you go. You're not gonna have the 14. You're gonna have to take one of the pulley ones. Just fucking take off the 12. Take off one of the. No shit. Take off one of these. Take off one of these. Just take off one of these.
Those are only like 24 pounds.
You know what's funny?
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I just gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Underground streets.
Well, hard to try. Ain't. Try. Oh. You know, get out of my camera. Oh, Milwaukee.
Surface if I got a call. Some niggas play hard, but we know they soft. And they got a bitch we done knocked off with a new dumb round with the top off. And she cocked the knock ready to pop off. Stay fly as fuck, ready for takeoff. Touchdown, the city's ready for football. Hold up. Listen, we'll slow it down for you. Hey, in my hood, the young blaze of foes. Inspired by LA and Houston, SA's a hustler's home. Where it ain't shit to do unless your money is long. That's probably why these out-of-staters tell me that they miss home. Don't get it wrong, it's always shit to be done. Why the fuck these out-of-towners thinking we ain't got guns? Hey, I try to tell them when you're up in the slums. Listen, we on the streets every night like bums. When I lived on Dory, part of the sticks, but though my daddy black Cypher's right shoulder was 6. So, a nigga caught in a mix, but no, gang banging nigga loaded the clips with the black bandana to hide the description. When I was on the mission of shipping by selling prescription and bullshit weed, but not for my wealth. I was trying to hustle the ground like my middle name's Death. Said you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Said you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Said you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Yeah, you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to...
Alright guys, y'all saw the teardown process, okay? I didn't show the cleaning. Hey look, it's hanging right there. I didn't show the cleaning of this because people are too damn sensitive when it comes to cleaning surfaces, alright? Y'all see that? I just know that it has a beautiful finish on it, okay? So that silicone is gonna stick very, very nice, or should I say Loctite, okay? Got this thing cleaned up, completely cleaned up, okay? I kind of go overboard when I clean these, make sure that all the fluid is out of there. I don't want no old fluid in there. And y'all see the old sub assembly. Y'all want to see something? Y'all see where it was slipping right there? Yup, that's where it was slipping, guys. And you can see on the chain, you see right here, okay? It looks all smeared. Yeah guys, that's a chain slip. Chain slippage right there at its finest. And shit, when I say this CVT fluid was burnt, this CVT fluid was burnt. But anyways guys, that's gonna be all for today. The next video is gonna be the reassembly. Not gonna measure on camera. Installing the sub-assembly, that thing, but a new one. Putting this transmission back together. Once we get that done, then there'll be another video of reinstalling into that vehicle. But for now guys, that's gonna be it. Like, comment, subscribe, turn post notification bells on. Links in the description below for the tools that I use and the equipment I use. So now, watch these videos, subscribe right there. Deuce.